Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Mr. Campbell from MrCampbellRocks.com. Today we are going to begin section 3. There's only one video tutorial in section 3. It's 3.1 called Share and Collaborate Sites. So today we're going to talk about how to add people to make them editors of the site, how to change their abilities or their access on the site, and then how to remove people from sharing. And let's just talk a little bit about why we might want to share. Maybe we have a co-teacher. Maybe we work with a special ed teacher and they're in our room at the same time. Maybe it's a grade level department. If you're in middle school, or maybe it's a grade level team and you're all using the same site to post lesson plans and videos and slides and different things like that as a resource so that the teachers can come and grab that and then share it with their Google Classroom or email it to parents. There's a lot of different reasons why you would want to have other collaborators on the site. So let's jump in. There are two ways to share a Google site with someone. The first way is in your Google Drive. You would just left click here and then you would click on share, and that's how you would, when you click on share, it's going to ask who you want to share it with. Then you would click that person's name and give them the ability to share. I'm going to do it in the other way, but this is where we would add an email address of a colleague or something like that. So the second way to do that is to go to your Google site. Here's the Google site that we've created. We've been working on together. You can see some of these things if you've been following along the whole way. Right up here where we see the little plus and it says share with others, you click on the plus sign there. And I'm going to add my principal. And what I'll be able to do is over here on the right, I can change his access or her access depending on who I'm sharing it with and what abilities they have to use this site. So when I click this little arrow here, they're going to have a published viewer or an editor. Now, a viewer just means that somebody can view the site. They can't edit the pages, they can't add content. And so what I would want, obviously, if we're working on the site together, is to make him an editor, not a published viewer. So once I click on send, this is going to send them an email. So we'll do that. And now he's been added. You'll see this little box up here, right? Person added. So now that person has permissions. Now, if I want to change those permissions after the fact, what I can do is I can go up here to click on the share here, and you'll see now that my principal here has these different options, and then I can actually make them the owner. Maybe I'm leaving the 3rd grade or the 6th grade and I'm moving down or up to a different grade and I still want the team to be able to have those rights. I can make them the owner. I can remove him, or I can give him access as a published viewer. So if I click on remove, you'll see that I need to save that. And then he does not have access to the site anymore. Now, what you can do is if you want to restrict people's ability to publish information, again, I just showed you, but you can click here, add somebody, and I can give them a published viewer. So anytime that they want to publish stuff, they can't do that. So when I would do that, I would just click share, save changes. So he basically has view only rights to the site and different things like that. All right. The easiest way to find out, again, who has ownership or who has abilities on the site is to go here. You'll see that. If we go back over to Drive, we left click here, click on share. You'll see this new dialog box. There's a video that's going to pop up here, a link to a video that shows you about this new dialog box that Google came out with a couple weeks ago. Again, this has been 3.1 Share and Collaborate Sites. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to move on to the tutorials next. We'll be previewing and publishing your site. There's a few videos in there. Again, I love you, I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here.